All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a lamp. Just make sure you have all the parts here shown. We're going to start with the lampshade. I'll move this out of the way for now. All right, so on the lampshade, you notice that there's these little divots. We're going to pop the ring onto each one. They're going to snap in like so. And then you're going to want to put this ring, make sure that it is not quite level, so you want to make sure that it is going sloping inward. All right, now we're going to want to line up the Velcro so that it is even. There we are. Set this aside for now. All right. Now we want to remove all this. First step is to screw this in. You can push the cord back in just a bit. Fully secure. Next, we're going to attach the shade to the lamppost. Use this O-ring to attach it. The light bulb. There we have it. And it is touch sensitive, so let me go ahead and there we have it.